Hi guys, welcome to another edition of Home Cooking Done Roxy. I am Rosalind Roxy Jenkins and I am about to show you my ingredients for a spice rum cake. So I use, let's start here, a cup of buttermilk, baking flour, teaspoon of rum flavoring, teaspoon of cloves, teaspoon of cinnamon, teaspoon of allspice, teaspoon of nutmeg, 1 stick of butter, 1 stick of Crisco butter flavor, and 3 cups of swan cake flour, 3 cups of sugar, and then I can't even explain to you how much rum. I just use it until I get tired of pouring it. So I use Pam to coat my pan, and I just wanted y'all to see all the ingredients first, and I described it to you, right? Okay, so we gonna get started. Okay, so since I'm not good at editing, what I did was went ahead and made the cake. You can also follow me on YouTube and get the full recipe. I already created the batter, already sprayed the pan, and everything that I told you is in this batter. You can also use this batter to make banana cake or raisin rum cake. Remember, I told you we're not gonna add the rum until the end, after the cake is fully done, right? Right. If you want to go step by step, you can follow me on YouTube. Home Cooking Done Roxy. Okay, our spice cake is ready. See it. Drop it down. This is Home Cooking Done Roxy spice cake. I'ma soak it and then I'ma flip it, okay? Ready? Here we go. Right in there, just like that. Okay, we're gonna flip real quick. Wait for it to come out. Wait for it. All right, final touches. My cake got stuck, so it's ugly, but I'm gonna have to put icing on it to make it pretty. And I did make a mini for my specialty. See how I go right through?